You can't say, Mama, you can't say you good and can't buy the
Pussy.
Be my one.
White girl dead.
Mama, you can't say you good and can't service the peace.
A few moments later.
Pussy.
2,000 years later.
A lot of people is missing this, you know. Sidem didn't wait all these years just to be a baby mother. And Sidem refused to be just a baby mother.
One eternity later.
And uno send for me, so uno can't complain. Let me ask you something. Uno know how long Sidem has been trying to get pregnant for Vybz Kartel since Vybz Kartel come from prison?
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Me see everybody attack me. Sidem pregnant.
Remember me telling you, say Alkaline, dancehall prophet. No? Remember me telling you, say Alkaline, dancehall prophet, are the only dancehall prophet that. And me telling you, say Alkaline, I work with the universe, and the universe, I work with Alkaline. You know, now see for yourself.
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
Go on, you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man, you know things said people. Mad thing. People, one thing me have to tell you now. Me hear all them talk about summer song and summer this and Ray. All me have to tell you now. The only song I will say I mash up a place right now where we can say, yo, when this drop in a party, I know nothing normal. You see Alkaline, Gyal good. People, I'm not going to see what go on, man. Make you play videos, make you see what go on. Hey, boy. Me see them a compare. Big up Armani. You don't know. I want to youth them with our next generation. You understand? And I compare Gyal good. Remember when Massacre drop him song, they must say Gyal good. People, that song, yeah? This I girl them anthem. You see when the girl them hear this? Yo, whatever shell or whatever them there, you know, people, it a shell down party. You understand? But pre this.
You can't say, Mama, you can't say you good and can't buy the Be my one.
White girl dead.
Mama, you can't say you good and can't service the peace. Oh, you can ride on the front seat and can't buy me a set of this spot.
I know, there's a different
I
price.
don't know buy this spot and break through, you know, remember say I'm genuine, you know.
We can buy it, but we know that it's a blood clot. I don't want to ride it.
Yo, it's Alkaline song, cuz.
Oh, let the girls never make up. Let all of the girls get make up. One time.
Alright now, people. Yo, people, when me see that video, yeah, I can't believe say Gyal good win one sound clash. People, Gyal good win one sound clash. Yo, Jano you, the way song, me no know. This a song, yeah? Boy, me no see no other song for year we can come against this song. Me I tell you people, more want to listen to what I go on. You know, so I can't believe say man do a clash and the man a draw for Alka. And the man go draw for that me G. We going to gangster song you man have. Jaja dog. Man say bet same play something with him no love. Watch out now. Place mash up people. People, the way man vex, man put Me can't believe say Gyal good win a sound clash to Rotted. You know see place rock up a while ago? The man couldn't even say nothing else on the mic. The next one we dead. Jano youth. Jano people. Cause we were J Progress I say no.
A lot of people is missing this, you know. Sidem didn't wait all these years just to be a baby mother. And Sidem refused to be just a baby mother. But separate and apart from that of wanting to be a wife, Sidem wanted to be treated with respect as well. We out here as the public have seen everything with Vice Cartel do out here in the public domain, which many other women can look and say, regardless of the money Vice Cartel have or whatever is given her, that's not a way to treat a woman who you say is your fiancé. Come on, man. Yes, you're a superstar, but that fiancé of yours has a heart as well.
Yo, Jano. Yo, and what I'm funniest thing in the people. Yo. Why can't tell you easy to dog? We are telling the people. Imagine the man that have a woman we are pregnant to Rotted. And if you see a man go out with the girl them in a house, dog. Jaja you. What has me saying now? Remember, you know, Sidem know. You understand? We know say Sidem no want to be no baby mother still. She want the ring put on cause from the get-go. She been a say. You understand? So, but if you see say, the dog wild out. You see me? Remember, you know, I put everything out there, you know. You see me? And, I don't know, I think, let me tell you, brother, Sidem really love Vice Cartel, you know. She love Vice Cartel, man, cause some girl, I tell you, girl where them not gonna put up with that, my G. If you know say yo, them pregnant and you see me? Them see remember Cartel have much girl them chef everybody way when you find out say you're no chef. And the other is a girl them man in the house and thing. You see me? But she must know you know. You see me? She must know what she wants still.
And has feelings and has emotions. And at the end of the day, she have friends and family and people out there who look to her and say, but how can you be with someone and they treat you like that? Like they don't even care about your feelings. Vice Cartel will tell you because he's a superstar. That is not enough reason to treat your fiancé, not your girlfriend. Your fiancé who you put a ring on her finger say you're promising to marry her. And make it even worse now. She's pregnant. So I would like to see now if you will ignore Sidem feelings and Vice Cartel. You have a few kids. You haven't spent time around these baby mothers to understand the different levels of a trimester with a woman who is pregnant. But I know that you have spent some time around Shorty. That's why Shorty think different. No, Vice Cartel, you know that when a woman is pregnant, that is when she needed the most.
That are facts. General people. I really thought that still cause yeah, Shorty, when Shorty pregnant, him the more they around Shorty, but the other way that rest of baby man of them, him not really. You understand? Him not really there around them. You see me, Pitney just born and you know him did their prison as well. So you know? That's one of them thing there. You see me, but him have to know enough him thing.
She will cry for no reason at all. She will just want a cuddle for no reason at all. She will just want you to lay beside her and rub her foot and rub her belly and give her a massage, just like that. She'll just be woman, just be missing you and just want to see you. These emotions have always play up. Worse, Sidem is a first time mom. Vice Cartel, I hope you don't continue to be this kind of arrogant type of person and a person with all this ego and think about yourself in this matter. And don't realize that you have a fiancé pregnant. Don't tell yourself that you're a superstar. It's different for all the other baby mother them who did just want breed for you because he's a star and then after them breed them just sit down and wait for the paycheck. Sidem is not about that. Sidem want marriage. Sidem want to be a wife. Sidem want to be a family. If she will ever get that, Uncle God he knows. But let me tell you something, Vice Cartel. The lady is now pregnant. Don't use your ego and tell yourself you're a superstar, you can do whatever you want. Because you see, in the process of doing that, you will be hurting someone's emotions. And let me tell you something, for a pregnant woman who madly in love with a person like that, who does a wish to have a happy life with them, you can cause a lot of damage.
Yeah man, stress and them thing they not good. You see me? And that's the problem. Stress and them thing they never good. You see it? And maybe that's why Shorty did mad and when him say Shorty catch him last night and you see me? Yeah man. Shorty go through a lot of things too. You see me? I think when Cartel fought from prison, she go up on live and say, yo, She so understand what I go on, man. Yeah, man.
Lot of damage. I know you don't care having Sidem as just a baby mother and can send money go Gyal and then when you're picking them reach certain level, you post them up so you take care of your kids them and everything alright and everything nice. All fear is fear. We have never known you as a man. If you don't send money go give your picking them. Because 3/4 of your kids them and not like you did it for them. You just meet one of your daughter the other day. Couple of your son them live with them parents and this and that. You understand? Little vibes, little addy and them ones there. And the ones that will be around you most. And they have missed most of their life away from you as well. You get what me I say? So Vice Cartel, this time around, do it right. See them is know your fiancé. Settle down, spend time.
Boy, J Progress, me don't know how you tell man in a dog. When them man they drink and junk in a dog, I want different thing in a bro. Them man they are not dim type of species, them G. Me I tell you. You know see them pregnant and the man have a bag of girl in a house and way. The man in a business dog. The man in a care me G. You see them man they care? Remember I think a 4th of July bag a girl their house and every little thing. So brother them man in a care me G. Them not used to that.
Char. And did here with just the one baby mother here. Where you say you're one burn and never we say it. And you say that. You hear me I say? We say see them take a break from the relationship because of all that she was going through. Of course she went to go through all it. That's why problem went in the relationship. So when I hear all these people thinking that this is not relationship. So you can't have problem, you can't make up, you can't breathe somebody, you can't stress them out. Welcome to the real world. Vice Cartel know what did I go on. Me know what did I go on. Sidem know what did I go on. So Uno can stay up on the sideline and wonder every day how J Progress know all of this. Just like how me didn't know a long time from in a me. And me ask Vice Cartel if him want tell Uno or me fi tell Uno. But me love you out. A long time we know Sidem agreed. Uno is not a blogger. Uno no see what me see. Uno have to relax and listen when me talk. Vice Cartel like prove everything. Hold on, me have something more else to drop but give a little break there. And Uno send for me, so Uno can't complain. Let me ask you something. Uno know how long Sidem has been trying to get pregnant for Vice Cartel since Vice Cartel come from prison? Let me ask you something. Can you guys remember a few interviews where Vice Cartel has been giving signal, fake signal, that Sidem was pregnant? Vice.
You know, say true. One long time video, you know, remember when them a walk and them a you know, pregnant thing like them do that try, but I know. Well, you know everything come to light, so we're gonna see what go on.
Cartel has been trying to get Sidem pregnant for a while now since he's been out of prison. Mark the 31st of July, Vice Cartel has been out of prison for 2 years. 2 years, you know. You know how long Vice Cartel has been trying to get Sidem pregnant? I tell you guys, IVF is still a thing. IVF is not a bad thing. Because remember, even if it's IVF, it's his sperm. So Sidem is still pregnant for Vice Cartel. So all you Gaza fans jumping around and calling out Alkaline and Vice Cartel still a breed Gyal at 60. You guys please go and check IVF. Thank you very much.
Yo, I feel like God, some of my Gaza fan them just obsessed with Alkaline, to be honest. Imagine, them artists say him fiancé I go have a baby. Tell me now, people. How Alkaline fall in this? How many dancehall artists in a dancehall where no have no youth right now? Me not understand. Them man are obsessed with Alkaline and in private life so much. For sure you say Cartel private life or Cartel life whatsoever can't please them. Just for sure you. The man them want Alkaline life like imagine Vice Cartel get him fiancé pregnant. When you get to check it, oh, Alkaline fall in line. Same like when Vice Cartel fall and I do him first show. Spice run out. Alkaline. Bro, I don't know how to do it, me G. I don't know how to do it, dog. But you call that thing name obsession, me G. Yeah, man, it's serious.
You don't know how long Sidem has been battling to get pregnant? And if a J Progress say, I hear me here, alright. Me see everybody attack me. See them pregnant. We see Vice Cartel can.
Yo, what J Progress with the youth in the man, easy in a dog. Yo, Jado, J Progress are easy, brother.
Permit on stage. But I think last night me couldn't know they see them pregnant. But anyway, it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Me did tell you say Sidem go thank me. And I will explain. When I remember, me no miss nothing, I mean, I miss nothing at all. So all of who me see attack J Progress Entertainment, me glad you not tag me. Because I will be here later. Bright in living colors. Right now, me depend on daddy duty. So no know. The little ones them come first. So we deal with that and then we get to social media. But when you stay tuned, when you think it's a bad thing, it is a good thing to see them pregnant. Vice Cartel, me see your video. Where is Sidem? We see a show with Sidem. That's exactly where we want to see them. And me glad say, my advice no go on note. Me say wait till later. People, stay tuned. Stay tuned for later. Wait till me come out for daddy duty.
Yo, J Progress the easy that you see me? Yeah man, but we're gonna hear what Governor Bleacher say, see me? Yeah man.
My people, remember me telling you say Alkaline, dancehall prophet no. Remember me telling you say Alkaline, dancehall
Big up Governor Bleacher, you don't know.
prophet, are the only dancehall prophet that. And me telling you say Alkaline I work with the universe, and the universe I work with Alkaline. You know, now see for yourself. You know, see say beach in the wrong. And another thing again, me have some bridging. I know we are held a man now. Them ask me say, Beach, you and Popcorn come from the same parish and the same district. And me never hear you say unruly, I pay a vendetta you say. Let me tell you something. Alkaline is my artist. Me have 3 artists in a dance hall. We are them are my artists. Me listen every artist. But 3 artists are them are my artists. Admiral Bailey, Shabba Rankin, and Alkaline. Them are my artists. Admiral Gyal man make me start DJ. See, when me used to DJ, me sound sing like Admiral, because Admiral inspired me. Shabba Rankin are just my artist. You see me I say? I know me in my business before them and they still. Alkaline are my top artist. So me no want no man to come ask me how me no say unruly and how me no say this.
That me I say, not because one artist fought for you and the artist for the same parish means say you rep the artist. You understand? At the end of the day, none of them people that will turn funny, and not because of the person that like, and not because of the lifestyle of the artist, and music. You understand? Yeah, in music. So anyway you take it, you go rate an artist because of music first. Make you rate him and him personality, because them time if you never have no song, I'm tired for tell them already, people. If an artist don't have no song, you're not gonna know him. You understand? All of the artists in my boss dancehall and reggae are then song, then each song, then first each song make you know them, make you start gravitate to them. You understand? Especially when it comes to the music side. Nowadays, I just trending thing and all of them look a thing there. Them see say, alright, I say the artist, a man want 2 lion. Yo, I say the artist, it's easy if you say this. You just run with that trend. Because that's the trend. You understand? So I saw a thing go. Not because artists fall from same parish and because at the end of the day, remember say music play everywhere. Music not stay one place. So not because a man say yo him there at St. Thomas and it means say Ray. No, not so it go. You see me? Yeah man. And sometimes the music make you in tune with the artist. You understand? Listen to your music and all of them little thing there. And then now the artist move while him do music. They say, oh, you see that youth, yeah? Yeah, man, militant, man. I saw you see me? Him not in no drama and a bag of ray, you see me?
You say when my wife said me, I'm one big man. You see me, I say? But what me I tell you, I say? Alkaline. The bad man say, I tell you, if you see me face, Alkaline, me I tell you about. Every day you get up, you go hear Alkaline name I call. Which artist then call him name every day and every night? Every day on earth is Alkaline name. Alkaline. Are the greatest. I'm telling you already, I'm going to tell you again. Alkaline is the greatest. And many more have to come. Who not go see. December we born now. I'm born December the 19th, I'm born December the 20th. You know about the universe. You see me I say? Woman a beach tell you without a doubt. Check it.
Yeah, man, I just one of them thing there, but I saw it going on. You see, sometimes I just the energy. Yeah, you know the artist music, but you saw the artist move, and sometimes I can saw your move too, you know. You see me? And you listen to artist music, and you see me? Yeah, I saw it work. It just connect. You see it, sometimes you can listen to the artist music, and the artist music just take you out of one situation, like, you know, you go through a little thing and you just listen to music and it give you a little, you see me, a little therapy thing, like, you see me? Yeah, I saw it go. But people, you don't know one media facts when you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I'm mad thing, man. That is it.